On tatami 1, representing Russia, Irina Dolgova was not able to complete due to injury. Ukraine, the reigning world champion, Daria Belozit. Gold score, tatami 2. Next contest for men under 60 kilograms, tatami 3. This is the third round contest. In the blue jewelry representing Mongolia, Hakbajan Ulbold. In the white jewelry representing the Republic of Korea, Kim Won-jin. Tatami 1, winner of the quarterfinal in the white jewelry representing Ukraine, the world champion Daria Belozit. Belozit goes to the semi-final. Mukhbat of Mongolia goes to the repechage. Next quarterfinal, women under 48 kilos, tatami 1. In blue, representing Argentina, the Olympic champion, Paula Barreto. In white, representing women under 48 kilo.
بالأزرق الأرجنتينية باولا باريتو، بالأبيض المنغولية نخبات أوراتسنسيك.
Hey! 하시면.
Tatami 2, next contest, third round for the men under 60 kilo. In blue jewelry, representing Great Britain, Ashley Kelsey. In white jewelry, representing Russia, Iago Abuadze.
Hey! 하시면.
Tatami 3, winner of the quarterfinal, in blue, representing the Republic of Korea, Kim Hong-jin. Kim goes to the semi-final. Utulayev of Uzbekistan goes to the repechage. Tatami 3, next quarterfinal for men under 60 kg. In blue jewelry, representing Russia, Albert Oguzov. In white jewelry, representing France, Valid Kiar.
네. 시도. 하시면. 네. 하시면.
على البساط رقم 1 تتأهل اللاعبة المنغولية منخبات أوراتسنسيغ.
And we've got former world champion Erenseteg Mungbat of Mongolia here against Melanie Clement of France. Well, I'm showing you their world rankings, or that you're being shown the world rankings, and of course I said at the beginning that they're very important, the world rankings, because going into the Olympic Games, remember that this is top 36 in every weight category are here, but going into the Olympic Games in the top 8 seedings will put you away from anybody else and give you a better chance of a run through to an Olympic medal. It doesn't always work that way, but it gives you a much better chance. And of course, that's what some of these, certainly at round about 7 and 5 here, which is what Mungbat and Clement are, they'll be trying to get into the top 4 if they can, and it seeds you away from the top fighters. Here we go, Mungbat then in white. She's also a groundwork specialist. And for those who have joined us that don't know much about judo, then there are 4 different ways of winning. You can throw your opponent flat on their back. If you throw them on their side twice, you get the equivalent to the ippon, but flat on the back is an ippon. Hold them down for 20 seconds on their back, and if you strangle or arm lock for a submission. I'll point those out as we go along, and there's a penalty system as well. So if they don't attack, and if you just parry your opponent's grips off, then you can get penalised, and that's exactly what happened there. 1 Shido on the board, that's that little yellow mark on the board there. 3 of those and it's all over. So neither fighter can afford another one of those. You can get them for several things. Stepping outside of that yellow area, that's our ring. You have to stay within it. But of course, this is where the tactics come in, because sometimes you back somebody up towards the edge. They don't want to go outside, don't want to get penalised, so they push back in. Action, reaction is what our sport's all about. So this is also one of the favourite techniques of Mungbat. She likes to do what we just saw Biladid do there, but not for the hold down, but for the actual strangulation. It's a strangulation, triangular strangle with the legs. So we'll see her following Clement down to the ground whenever she can. It's all about gripping and getting your grip so that you can attack. The one that has the dominant grip is normally the one that initiates the throw and then enables them to follow through onto the ground. Now the referee will allow this to go on as long as it's progressive. So it's all about progression on the ground. And of course, everybody knows that Mungbat is a specialist, so gives her a little bit more time down there to get it sorted. 7 weight categories in the men and the ladies divisions. This is the lightest of the ladies divisions, under 48 kilograms. We've also got 2 other weight categories for the ladies today, under 52s and under 57 kilograms. The other 4 will be contested over the next 2 days. And then, of course, the lightest weight categories for men, under 60s and under 66 kilograms. And of course then the other 5 weight categories will be contested over the next 2 days. So 7 weight categories in each, ending with, well, the heavyweights. The heavyweights for ladies is plus 78 kilograms, and the heavyweights for men is plus 100 kilograms, and that can mean 150, 160 kilos, which is what, of course, the great Teddy Riner, well, he's about 140 now, but yeah. Bit of a difference from 48 kilograms to that. Now then, an attacking situation here from Munkbat. If she can get into that arm here, which she's managed to do. Now she'll try and straighten the arm out. She has to apply pressure to the elbow joint here. Clement trying to keep her head up and upset the balance, but we can see there that Munkbat, yes, Munkbat was against the elbow there, and she shouted Clement, so Ippon was called, definite Ippon, and normally the referee will get a chance to stop it a little bit before that, but it wasn't quite connected. So Munkbat, former world champion there, will be on the rostrum with Biladid, 2 bronze medalists. Of course, every match here at this World Masters, it's not the World Masters for veterans. This is the World Masters for the elite fighters in the world. And, well, what can you say? Every match is virtually either a European final or a Grand Prix final equivalent, or a world final or Olympic final. Some amazing matches all the way through. So she just indicates there, Munkbat, that Clement just tapped up. She submitted. So Clement had her head free. Normally the right leg of the of Munkbat there will go over the head to secure the head, but she manages there just to take the arm, and you can see it's straight, it's against the joint, and in the end she has to submit there, Clement. Don't forget, it is the world number 5 there that had to submit. Well, in fact, it was virtually, it's Udigarami that she gets, which is a bent arm lock, but it's still against the joint. Of course, the referee straight in there to stop any injury. Well, that means that we've done the first 2 finals, and we will have a medal ceremony of the under 48 kilograms.
Medal ceremony for women under 48 kilos.
سيداتي سادتي توزيع الميداليات الوزن أقل من 42 كيلوغرام سيدات.
The medals will be presented by the General Secretary of the Qatar Olympic Committee.
الميداليات ستصل من طرف السكرتير العام للجنة الأولمبية القطرية السيد جاسم راشد البوعيني.
Bronze medalists are representing Mongolia.
2 bronze medals in every category. Bronze medal then goes to Munkbat Urentsetseg of Mongolia, and then, of course, Daria Biladid of the Ukraine, the current world champion, this time has to be content with a bronze medal. Tanaki Funa, former world champion. This is a real high-class rostrum, it really is. But she had no chance, did she, in that final? Absolutely no chance whatsoever. And Distria Krasniki of Kosovo was absolutely faultless. 2 incredible wazaris, 2 different techniques, 2 changes of direction. And Krasniki says, watch out for me. at the Olympic Games. Still a long way to go, a lot of competitions. People have got a chance to get back onto form. Remember that quite a few people have had time off training how they normally train, and it's been difficult for them to get the level of randori or sparring that they need. But certainly they'll use this next few competitions to get back to their former glory. This lady, though, was spectacular.
Ladies and gentlemen, please all rise for the national anthem of Kosovo.
النشيد الرسمي لكوسوفو.
Thank you very much. Family picture between me and Judoka.
So now the family picture, where they all come together and they can be friends for a little while till the next time. So they've opted not to. So Krasniki wins gold, of course. Tanaki Funa silver. Biladid, the world champion current, and Mungbat, former world champion of Mongolia, get the bronzes.
Tatami 1, first round for 148 kilograms. In blue for Mongolia, Anbatarda Tsetse. In white for South Africa, Pierone Whitmore. Tatami 3, next contest, first round for men under 66 kg. In blue, representing Spain, Daniel Perez. In white, representing Germany, Sebastian Seidel. Tatami 2, next contest, first round for men under 66 kilograms. In the blue jury, representing Russia, Aram Grigoryan. In the white jury, representing Spain, Alberto Gaitero. Tatami 1, next contest, first round for women under 48 kilograms. Tatami 1, in blue representing Mongolia, Albatar Barantsatsi. In white representing Portugal, Catarina Costa. Next, second round contest for men under 60 kilograms, Tatami 2. In blue jury representing Uzbekistan, Diorbek Urozboyev. In white jury representing Ecuador, Lenin Preciado. score, tatami 3.
Deixa a turma em luz, controla de média, deixa depois ver direito. Bora! Vai enviar, ok? Bora! Quando eu acho que os pés posso fazer um pouco mais frente, ok? Tranquilo. Vem! Isso! Mas é, bom. Outra vez, ela vai ter que ir para cima. Tranquila nas pernas, com os pés, ok? Vem! Ei! Dá espaço, ok? Escuta mais as pernas. Dá espaço, mais as pernas. Vem! Está muito bem.
Tatami 2, next contest, the second round for men under 60 kilograms. In the blue judogi, representing Georgia, Temur Vozadze. In the white judogi, representing Brazil, Eric Takabatake.
Vai trabalhar. Isso. Tira aí, aciona. Tá lá. Ei! Tudo igual. Longe, controla bem. Ei! Olha, pode já fugir. Tranquilo. Vem! Ei! Vamos à frente. Tranquilo. Vem! Deixa, concentrada, vamos lá. Vou caber. Menina, são aí, vamos.
Tatami 1, next. Netherlands, Sander Verhagen. Evelina Ilieva. First round for women under 52 kilograms, tatami 2. In blue for Mongolia, Bishveld Horvodoy. In white for Israel, Gefle Primo. We have room to score on tatami 3. Tatami 3, next contest, the first round for women under 52 kilo. In blue, representing Poland, Karolina Pienkowska. In white, representing Switzerland, Fabian Kocher. Doctor on tatami 1, please.
Let's go!
Tatami 2, golden score. Tatami 3, next first round contest for women under 52 kilo. In blue judogi representing Spain, Estrella Lopez. In the white judogi representing Italy, Odette Gifrida. Tatami 1, first round for women under 57 kilograms. In blue for Austria, Sabrina Filzmoser. In white for Portugal, Thelma Monteiro.
Va bene, oggi ancora uguale, sempre veloce con le gambe. Guarda sempre sinistro. Ancora questo, guarda sinistra, veloce con le gambe. Poi verso destra.
Tatami 2, next contest, the first round for women under 52 kilo. jewelry representing Hungary, Reka. In white jewelry representing Mongolia, Bishrel Khorlodoi. Tatami 1, winner of the quarterfinal, in white jewelry representing Japan, Tonagi Funa. The former world champion goes to the semi-final. The Olympic champion, Paula Barreto of Argentina, goes to the rematch. Next quarterfinal, Tatami 1, women under 57 kilos.
أولى الأدوار الرباعية لوزن 57 كيلوغرام على المسافة رقم 1.
In the blue jewelry, representing Chinese Taipei, Lian Chenli. In the white jewelry, representing Canada, Jessica Klinke. Tatami 3, next third round contest for men under 60 kg. In blue, representing Russia, Albert Oguzov. In white, representing Kazakhstan, Usman Kirgizbayev. We have golden score on tatami 2. In the blue judogi representing Mongolia, Hagvasuren Sosorwaram. In the white judogi representing Belgium, Charlie van Sneek. Break on tatami 1. Disinfection. Golden score on tatami 2. Next contest on tatami 1. First round for women under 57 kilograms. In blue judogi representing Republic of Korea, Kim Ji-soo. In the white judogi representing France, Sarah Léonie Sizik. Tatami 1, next contest, first round, women under 57 kilograms. In blue judogi representing the Netherlands, Sanne Verhagen. In the white judogi representing Bulgaria, Evelina Ilieva. First round for women under 52 kilograms, tatami 2. In blue for Mongolia, Bichrel Holgodoy. In white for Israel, Geffen Prigo. We have the score of the tatami 3. In white for Romania, Loredana Ohi. Golden score. Tatami 3, next contest. First round for women under 52 kilo. In blue for France, Astrid Leto. In white for Canada, Ekaterina Kulka.
Chino, Hashime. Hey!
Next, first round contest for women under 52 kilograms, Tatami 2. In blue jewelry, representing Guinea-Bissau, Hacienda Cesar. In white jewelry, representing Poland, Agata Perez. Dear spectators, we remind you that today we have the first day of Doha World Judo Masters 2021 Qatar. Today we have the following categories for men under 60 and under 66 kilograms, and for women under 58, under 52, and under 57 kilograms. And once again, dear spectators on the TV, we kindly ask you please keep the social distance. Once again, dear judoka, dear coaches sitting on the tribune, please all the time maintain the social distance, please. Thank you very much. Tatami 1, next first round contest for women under 57 kilograms. In blue jewelry, representing Serbia, Marica Perisic. Next, second round contest for men under 66 kilograms, Tatami 3. In blue jewelry, representing Egypt, Ahmed Abdelrahman. In white jewelry, representing Georgia, Haja Barbulashvili. Next, second round contest for women under 57 kilograms, Tatami 1. In blue, representing Mongolia, Dursuven Sukha. In white, representing Israel, Tina Nelson-Levy. Next second round contest for men under 66 kilograms, tatami 3. Tatami 3, second round, men under 66 kg. In blue jury representing Uzbekistan, Sardor Nuribayev. In white jury representing Israel, Baruch Shmailov. Tatami 2, next second round for men under 66 kilograms. In the blue jury representing Republic of Moldova, Denis Vieru. In white jury representing Italy, Manuel Lombardo.
תגיע עמוק אליה, תתעוררי על עצמך, תראית מעולה. הלאה, לא לחלום עכשיו, מהלך אינטנסיבי.
Golden score, Tatami 1.
תוציא לעצמך. תראי אותה. תמנע, זה הזמן להתעצבן עכשיו זה הזמן. את רוצה את הניצחון הזה. קדימה. שתי ידיים אני רוצה, שתי ידיים בהצמדה. חזק. בוא, לא נרוץ איתה. שתי ידיים. תוציא, אחרת תוציא בעצמך עכשיו. אמא, תבחרת על עצמך. עכשיו תוציא על עצמך את הכל.
البساط رقم 1 الدور الأول وزن أقل من 63 كيلوغرام سيدة بالأزرق بولج دمخير من منغوليا. بالأبيض داريا دافيدوفا من روسيا.
Tatami 2, golden score.
البساط رقم 3 الدور الأول وزن أقل من 63 كيلوغرام سيدة. بالأزرق أمينة بالقاضي من الجزائر. بالأبيض أندريا ليشكي من سلوفينيا.
Next, the second round contest, men under 81 kilograms, Tatami 2. In blue for Mongolia, Otgulbatar Ulaanbaatar. In white for Canada, Antoine Valois Fortier. Tatami 1. Next contest, first round, women under 63 kilo. In blue judogi, representing Venezuela, Enrique Barrios.